Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Juan Pablo from 100% Finance at 100%finance.com. I'm at the Empire State Building in New York City, New York, my previous stomping grounds. I come up here to the New York City area about 4 times a year, and I'm very fortunate and blessed to be able to do so as a result of the passive income I receive from my real estate portfolio. I make it up here frequently because I love the hustler's mindset. You know, it just reminds me of just getting started. Prior to living in New York City, I was raised in Atlanta, and I went to school, and I desperately wanted to become a real estate investor. But when I came here, this city helped mold me into the person I am today, because it birthed within me the hustler's mentality. You know, it helped me where my ambition and goals and professionalism was concerned, helped me get focused, and it helped me decide what was truly important. Deciding between whether I want to hang out and have fun, or do I want to network and get to work, you know, and get my business done. But over here, I know it's kind of far back, I'm in the Empire State Building, but this is the Freedom Center right here, Freedom Tower. Forgive me guys, I'm saying it wrong. But that's after the, you know, the Twin Towers was hit. And over here is the Goldman Sachs building, Jersey City. So even though I used to work down in this area, the financial district, I used to live over here in Jersey City, but now I'm just seeing it from a different view. But thanks to New York, shout out to all my New Yorkers, people from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, as well as Atlanta, DC, Miami, LA, everyone who watches the YouTube channel. I just want to encourage you all to continue to work hard and hustle and find those networking groups. Network with like-minded individuals, people who are at your level who can keep you motivated, and people who are above your level so they can bring you up to their level. And just stay on your grind. This is the city of dreams right here. And my dream of financial freedom came true in this city. So I'd like to pay homage to New York City, to all my New Yorkers, and I'll forever be a New Yorker at heart and continue to come up here and continue to grow. Alright, so as always guys, this is to your success, and just make sure you continuously stay on your grind. You see right here, new construction. There's always new construction in New York City. Even in Atlanta, Georgia is starting to grow where new development is concerned. But do we as real estate investors for passive income like new construction? No. Heck no. And why is that? It's because new construction equals competition, right? When there's more supply, then that means the prices go down, the rent goes down. That's just economics, right? So I prefer if there's a limited supply of properties, rental properties in a particular market. That way you can have pretty much a demand, there'll be an increased demand in regard to the prices. So I'm not a big fan of new construction from a real estate investor standpoint, especially in my case, because I invest in C areas and C properties. A's like the Whole Foods, people jogging at night, Starbucks all over the place. The C is like cash flow, Section 8 is great. D is like dangerous, tuck your chain in at night. I prefer the C areas. Low income, low crime, Section 8 all day long. So if I'm having Section 8, low income, low crime, blue collar area, so you can pretty much guess that it's not going to be the prettiest property out there. But these brand new construction, of course it's going to be pretty. It's going to be laid out, everything's going to be new. So I prefer the C areas, but I'm not in direct competition with the new construction because it's just a different market, a different way of investing. Again, I invest in C areas, but that's the A area right there. But from a consumer standpoint, I would prefer to live in the A area, much like you all too. But just having a good view, and just encourage you guys that this is what financial freedom can afford you. I come up to New York about 4 times a year. I go to Miami about the same amount of times, even though I reside in Atlanta, Georgia, simply because to remind me of the hustler's mindset. You know, this is where my roots started, right here, and it helped me get to the place where I'm at today. So I always come up here to pay homage, network with some friends, and host events here as well. So make sure you check our events page, 100%finance.com/events, or just check the links below if you want to learn more information. But I'm shooting this video from on top of the Empire State Building to let you know that you could be on top of the world too, that you can dominate this real estate market. If you have that mindset that real estate is beneath you, that you're overcoming it, so to speak, you will in a short matter of time, my friend. Just keep grinding. The city that never sleeps. We're right on the tramway, leaving Manhattan, the east side, to Roosevelt Island. Just doing the touristy sightseeing stuff here in New York City. Because it's kind of hard, ain't it, right? Ain't it, JR? Like, to be a tourist in your own backyard. I feel like when I was in New York,
it's very difficult.
It was just grind mode. No, I'm just saying when my time was concerned. It was just me and grind mode, me and work. That was it. It wasn't like, oh, let me do some sightseeing today.
But you're not even really thinking about that when you actually live in the city. You're not thinking about that. Like going to the Statue of Liberty is like a elementary school field trip type of
right.
When you get older and you're grown, you're not really thinking, let me go to the Statue of Liberty. You know what I'm saying? Unless you have like kids or something.
And here's Roosevelt Island right here, guys.
Yeah, look at the river. That's the East River right there.
Woo! It's shaking a little bit. It's the East River. So yeah, so today we're just spending some time doing some sightseeing stuff, as we just mentioned. It looks beautiful. I'm not sure if this camera does it any justice, but it's just a great city here. If you haven't been in New York City, I highly recommend you go. It's just so dope. But yeah, so when I was on grind mode, working at my 9 to 5, honestly, I didn't think I had time to hang out and have fun. But I did schedule just a few moments to enjoy life's simple luxuries. But it wasn't nothing, nothing crazy, nothing luxurious. At any rate, it's very simple. And this is very simple. This is a subway ride. All right, guys, peace.